It's the big day. We're back in S680 out of the shop, heading to the wheat field. Of course, we got a sprinkle last night overnight, and we ended up getting a cloudy morning. So we're not sure if the wheat's going to go or not, but I'm watching my friend Joel help me back out of the shop. So we're trying to get safely out and going to put some fuel in her. We think we got everything serviced and ready to go. New feeder house chain, new Calmer's concaves, new chaffer in the back. So done a bunch of work to her. We'll do more after wheat. We don't have a lot of wheat to do, but I apologize for being distracted. I just don't want to back into anything. Welcome back to the Way We Farm. You guessed it, first day of wheat harvest. So this is some bearded wheat. This field's yielded better. The other stuff was kind of disappointing, but we got a little drone footage. We didn't get any outside the cab footage because, well, we were busy driving truck, running a grain buggy, and running the combine. So this wheat's twisted down a little bit, but we're getting most of it. So in Western New York, I always say we're racing a rain or just trying to get going after rain. But I just looked at my phone. It says in like 45 minutes, there's 70% of sprinkle. We're not going to get enough rain to do any good. We call them wheat harvest rains, just enough to be a pain in the butt. So we are going to call it a day here shortly. This is cover crop seed we're going to keep. It's good and dry. We're putting it on our old 1978 Peterbilt 359 and a little 28-foot trailer. We call it our articulating 10-wheeler. So we're going to take that home, put it in the barn, and I got like 2 acres left to do. I was going to start another 15-acre field. I'm just not in the mood. It's going to be raining before I get hardly the outside done, and that don't do us much good. So we'll finish that up in the next day or two. Like I say, I don't think we're going to get much rain, but if we do, we'll take the rain. And we got a bunch of wheat to do, but none of it's overly ready except this here on the dry ground. So thanks for watching. Follow along. Hey, hit the like and subscribe button if you will. And if you harvest wheat anywhere in the country or the world for that matter, leave a comment. And if you don't know the stress you're missing if you just grow corn and soybeans. So thanks for watching, following along, and we'll see you next time on The Way We Farm. Second bin of the day, waiting for the grain cart to get here. Doesn't look too bad. Put her in the old Peterbilt, gonna head her down to Avon, New York to Howlett's, then get a correct moisture and see what this field yielded. Jumping on the go. So we got a new fella helping us this year. His name's Scotty. First time, oh, Troy's got the drone out. First time he's ever dump carted, or excuse me, we call it grain buggy, but run the grain cart. He's doing great. So we're combining. The wheat is disappointing. It's crinkled over. We didn't spray this stuff with fungicide or growth regulator. Very disappointing this week. We'll be in some better stuff next week, but the wheat's dry. It's down 13, 14, 12%. We are happy with that, and there's the drone. So great day to make a video, great day to feed the world, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you can tune in next time as we do continue more wheat harvest. Truckers like to say, don't worry about the mule, load the wagon. Well, it's not a huge wagon, however, it's a full wagon. 1978 Peterbilt with a 400 big cam Cummins in it. So, we got some hills on the ride home. That Jake brake will be working going down them, and the motor will be smoking going up them. It's cover crop wheat seed heading home.